You're about to discover why some seniors in Japan live to 100 and beyond, while others struggle in their 70s. Two seniors can eat similar food, live in modern homes, yet one quietly reaches 100, while the other struggles by 70. Here's the scary part. It's not money, and it's not genetics, and it's definitely not magic. It's daily habits, tiny ones, done every single day. In Japan, especially Okinawa, seniors live so long that researchers had to create special studies just to understand them. In the United States, seniors often live longer than before, but with more pain, more pills, and more years of illness. Today, we're exposing what Japanese seniors do differently, what they avoid, and what Americans unknowingly do that speeds aging. Stay with me, because once you see this, you can't unsee it. So, why Japan? Why Okinawa? Japan consistently ranks among the longest living countries on Earth, but Okinawa is special. So special that scientists from the Okinawa Centenarian Study, Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology, Japan National Institute of Health and Nutrition, and collaborators from the U.S. National Institute on Aging, NIA, have studied these people for decades. Their conclusion? Longevity is not accidental. It is designed daily. In the U.S., the National Institute on Aging reports seniors live longer than before, but spend up to the last 15 to 20 years managing chronic disease. In Okinawa, many seniors remain mobile, sharp, and independent into their 90s. Let's break down why. Habit number 1, eat until 80%. Full, Hara Hachi Bu. Japanese seniors follow a rule called Hara Hachi Bu. It means stop eating when you're about 80% full, not starving, not dieting, and just stopping early. The science backing proof. Researchers from the Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology and Riken Center for Integrative Medical Sciences show that mild calorie control reduces insulin spikes, lowers inflammation, slows cellular aging pathways like mTOR. In the U.S., plates are bigger, eating is rushed. Full means stuffed. American seniors often eat past fullness, stressing digestion, blood sugar, and the heart. Don't eat until you're uncomfortable. Do eat slowly and stop early. This habit alone may add years, not months. Habit number 2, purple sweet potatoes and plant-first meals. Before rice became common, Okinawans lived on purple sweet potatoes. Not fries, not chips, steamed, boiled, hot. The science backing proof. According to the Japan National Institute of Health and Nutrition, purple sweet potatoes are rich in anthocyanins. These antioxidants reduce oxidative stress linked to aging, heart disease, and brain decline. U.S. seniors often get carbs from white bread, sugary cereals, ultra-processed snacks. These spike blood sugar and increase inflammation. Do colorful plants, beans, greens, seaweed. Don't ultra-processed convenience foods. In Okinawa, food is not entertainment. It's medicine eaten daily. Habit number 3, move all day, not just exercise. Japanese seniors don't say, I'm going to work out. They just move. They walk, they squat, they garden, they clean, they stand. The science backing proof. The Okinawa Centenarian Study and World Health Organization show continuous low-intensity movement improves longevity more than short, intense workouts. In the U.S., seniors sit for hours, then try to fix it with 30 minutes of exercise, but the damage is already done. Do walk daily, stand often, move naturally. Don't sit for long, uninterrupted hours. Longevity isn't built in gyms, it's built into daily life. Habit number 4, smart water drinking. Japanese seniors sip water gently throughout the day. They do not chug massive bottles. Force extreme hydration. The science backing proof. According to Mayo Clinic and NIH hydration studies, water supports digestion, but excessive water at once can dilute electrolytes, especially in older adults. In the U.S., seniors are told, drink more water. Many overdo it, leading to bloating, imbalance, even low sodium. Do. Sip steadily. Don't. Chug huge amounts. Water is medicine, but dose matters. If you're watching this and thinking, I want to age strong, not just long, type I'm in below. Welcome to the Seniors Longevity Club, where we learn, grow, and age together. Because aging well is easier with a tribe. Habit number 5, barefoot living and body awareness. In Japanese homes, shoes stay at the door. Walking barefoot strengthens foot muscles, improves balance, reduces fall risk. The science backing proof. The Japanese Orthopedic Association links foot strength and balance to reduced hip fractures in seniors. U.S. seniors often wear stiff shoes all day, lose foot strength, fall more frequently. Do. Walk barefoot safely at home. Don't. Live in rigid footwear. Falls don't just injure, they end independence. Habit number 6, tea, calm and low stress. Green tea isn't rushed in Japan, it's RITUAL. The science backing proof. Studies from Tohoku University School of Medicine show green tea polyphenols reduce inflammation, lower stress hormones, support brain health. U.S. seniors often replace calm rituals with constant stimulation, live in chronic stress. Stress ages faster than sugar. Do. Slow tea moments. Don't. Live in non-stop mental noise. Habit number 7. Ikigai, purpose after retirement. In Japan, retirement does not mean uselessness. They ask, why do I wake up today? This is Ikigai, purpose. The science backing proof. Research involving the University of Tokyo and the U.S. National Institute on Aging shows a strong sense of purpose reduces mortality risk by up to 30%, lowers depression and cognitive decline. Many U.S. seniors retire, lose routine, lose identity, and health declines rapidly. Do. Stay useful, stay needed. Don't. Retire from life. Purpose feeds biology. Habit number 8. Moai, social circles for life. In Okinawa, people form Moai, lifelong social groups. They eat together, talk together, support each other. The science backing proof. The Harvard study of adult development confirms social connection is one of the strongest predictors of long life. Loneliness among U.S. seniors is now considered a public health crisis. Do. Build community. Don't. Age alone. Loneliness ages faster than smoking. Common mistakes that shorten life. Eating until stuffed. Sitting too long. Drinking water incorrectly. Losing purpose. Social isolation. Longevity isn't about adding habits. It's about removing silent killers. Japanese seniors don't chase youth. They protect function, they move, they eat with wisdom, they hydrate with care, they live with purpose, they age together. You now know the difference between living long and living well. Comment, I'm in. Join the Seniors Longevity Club. And let's age, strong, sharp, and connected together.